Give them bad bitch vibes, okay? Bad bitch vibes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul for you guys. I actually went shopping on Fashion Nova and I caught them on a sale. Y'all know I love to save my coins, so I had to get some stuff from them. I feel like my wardrobe is lacking tops and I just want something I can throw on, look cute with some bottoms and go. And then I'm in the middle of trying to change my style at the same time, so I went ahead and bought some stuff. Everything that I bought was basically under like $8 or $10, so your girl only spent around like 80 bucks. I'll put the total right here so you guys know exactly how much I spent, but I love everything that I bought and I wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into this video.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, we came from nothing to something, nigga.
Okay guys, hello. So let's go ahead and get started. Everything I got was under $10, which I think is amazing. It was all on clearance. Everything was 50 to 80% off. I caught them when they were having that 50 to 80% off sale on their clearance. Everything is final sale, unfortunately, but luckily I ended up loving everything that I got. Yay. I'll try to link all of the shirts down below and the sizes that I wore, but I'm pretty sure I ordered everything in a large. I ordered everything in a large except for two tops. Two tops I ordered in a medium, but I'll let you guys know which ones they are as I try them on. So here's all of the stuff that I got. Shipping did take a little while. Fashion Nova is not as fast as they used to be. Let me just tell you that. It did take a little while to get here. It took about maybe a week and a half or so, 2 weeks. Which is kind of slow for Fashion Nova. I know when I've ordered from them before, it was a little bit faster, so I was kind of confused about that. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this necklace that I got. This is the first item that I got here. It's this really cute necklace choker that I think is going to be super cute with some outfits that I have in mind. This necklace I definitely love. I got it for $1.98. Can't complain about that at all. Sorry if you see my ring light going in and out. It's acting mad weird. But it's really cute, guys. I think it's going to be really cute with the right outfit with some good accessories. It sits like right here, which is cute. I love it. Love it. The next item I got was a pair of earrings. These were $1.98 as well. They're so cute though. I don't really want to take them out, but they're little lightning bolt earrings that I think will be cute with the right outfit. I love how they glisten. They're so cute. And they're not the rhinestones that I think will fall off very easily. It's actually well made for $1.98. I don't really wear different jewelry unless I'm going out, so you mostly see me in studs or hoops. But I wanna change that. I wanna start getting cute. So now onto the clothes. The first thing that we're gonna start with is this white top that I have on right now. I'm gonna put me wearing the clothes right on over here for you guys so you can see. But I got this bad boy in a size large and it was $4.98 after the sale price. It's final sale, but it fits me perfectly, showing off those curves. I love how it feels. I mean, it's just a typical cotton material. The only downside to this top was that it did come with a little stain on it, which I'm not happy about. I'm gonna try to wash it and see what happens. But I love what it does for my body. I love that it hugs me in the right places, shows off the boobies, make them look real nice. And yeah, first thing that I thought in my head was I should have got this in more colors. So if I go back on Fashion Nova, best believe I will be trying to buy more of this color. Next up, I got this gray Wild and Free shirt, crop top. It's got the little side scrunch, which I love. It just hugged me in the right places and it did everything right for my body. I was really feeling it. The first thing Kevon said when he saw me was, ooh, and I was like, I love it. I got it in a size medium. Next thing I got was this highlighter yellow neon shirt. It's mesh, so I do have to wear a bra under it because, you know, I don't like my nipples being showing. I'm just not that type of girl. I'm here for it if you do, just the titties don't work like that, okay? I definitely like it. The only thing I will say was it was a little big. I got this one in a size large, and I feel like I could have gone down to a size medium just because it wasn't as form-fitting as I wanted, but I still see myself doing something cute with it. I definitely can't complain. Everything doesn't have to be tight, and it looks good on me. It looks good on my body. I also got a white t-shirt. It does have a little tie in the front, so it's not a full t-shirt, it is a crop top. And it has this nice little rudging in the front, which I think is cute, little slits that show a little bit of the boobie, but not much. And I did have to retie it because I wasn't a fan of the thing going on down there. I was like, what the hell is this? What is this little thing hanging out my belly button here? I had to get rid of it. I had to see if it was something I could fix. Luckily, it was something that I could retie. So right away, it went from thumbs down to thumbs up. I like it. I like how it feels. It's really soft, really comfy. I like for my shirts to be comfy and cozy. And yeah, it's just a thumbs up all around. I also got this shirt right here. This is the infamous Cupid baby shirt that everybody and their mama has. I had to get it because I just love the color. I love blue, and I'm so happy that it's coming back into style, like that soft blue. So I had to buy something like this because I don't have any blue in my closet, which I think is super weird because I like how it looks on my skin. And I love it. I got it in a size medium. That one I was happy I got. It fits me a lot better. This shirt is mesh as well. So I just wore my bra underneath it. And yeah, I definitely see myself wearing this. Can't wait to style it. It's comfortable. It doesn't show too much skin, which I like. Oh, it also has the little lettuce. The lettuce frillies at the end of the shirt. I call it lettuce, but I know it's like runged or whatever people call it, but I like to call it lettuce.
Ciao. Anyway, so
okay, so next I got this shirt. It just says over it on it. Super soft, super comfortable. Another crop top. It's very soft. The only thing that I wasn't crazy about was how it was hitting me after my boobs. It kind of like cinched out a little bit, but I still see myself wearing it for sure. So next up, I got this guy right here, which I'm super happy to show you. It's my baby. It's the Jersey baby girl shirt in pink. I love pink. I love 2000s right now. I just love the whole Jersey and 2000 aesthetic, so I was super excited to buy this one. It does have the little scrunch sides as well as the little tie so you can adjust it, which I think is really cute. And also cinches my waist. It just makes me look super cute and super adorable. So it was a yes ma'am for me, So this one is basically the same thing. It's just in red and black. It's a tank top and it's very short, you guys. I was nervous to get this because your girl's stomach isn't flat, but I don't know, I'm just embracing my curves and embracing my body. So I got something out of my comfort zone and I actually love how it looked on me. It was super flattering. It was a little short, but it wasn't too short to the point that if I lifted my arms up, you would see under boob, which I like. Yeah, I got this one in a size large and I could see myself wearing this with some jeans, some Air Force Ones. I needed to have that, I had to get it. So now it's a part of my closet and I'm so thankful for it. Last but not least, I did get this shirt right here. It's just a really cute, soft pink baby doll top. It says, "You make me smile," which I thought was really cute. And I got this one in, I think I got it in a size large. Super soft, super comfortable. Something I definitely see myself wearing. But I'm happy with my purchases, guys. I'm happy with everything that I got. Everything was cute on me, everything fit. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials. That's how often I do tutorials. Let me know if you guys want to see more try-on hauls in the future and what stores you might want to see me shop at. I have some more stuff to try on for you guys, so there are going to be a couple more hauls in the future. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends if you think somebody would be interested in it. And subscribe if you're new to my channel. I mean, don't you like listening to me? Isn't that why you're still here? Just press that button. It's okay, sis. We know you want to be here. But yeah, I guess I will go ahead and wrap it up and see y'all in my next video.